Hello guys, I got another NATO strap in, so I'll be reviewing this now. Strange thing, I did a few NATO straps orders, ordered some extra spring bars with it, and both times I adjusted the amount of spring bars. Now it did show on the bill, on the invoice, and but still I got everything I deleted from that with both orders. For example, I had 10 spring bars ordered, altered it to 2, paid for 2, and get 10 anyway. So that's a good deal. Keep you posted. I'll just get it off the Pelagos right now. So, well, there we are. Oh no, that's not right. Excuse me. Oh yeah, that is nice. That is a nice NATO. Now let me try that with some loom. Check this out. Ha! And with the buckle on.